I am making a pleasure trove of deliciousness. Alright, let's go through the process. I'll pause it as I do step by step. Alright, we got some buttered bread. We got some sliced tomatoes we're going to lay out on there. A big old pile of sliced tomatoes. Everybody loves tomatoes, right? Then we're going to get us some lettuce. Check that out. Big old pile of lettuce on top of those tomatoes on that toast. Buttered toast. Alright, let's go to the next step. Ooh, look at that. A delicious slab of Best Foods real mayonnaise. Now, let's go to the next. Bacon. Yummy, yummy. Now we got some bacon stacked up on there. Let's go ahead and throw the other piece of bread on there. Smash down that top piece of bread with the mayonnaise on it. Now look at that. Tomato on toast. Buttered toast. Some lettuce. Bacon. And another slice of toast. And a little mayonnaise in between. Now that is a meal fit for a king. Bye, y'all.